Dapat patintero na lang dong dyan eh. Okay. Doon na lang ha. Marunong sila nung tag. What do you call that one? You have to go cross. They do the crossing, Dad. They need to cross. Red Rover, yeah. Over there. Yun Red Rover ang tawag nila. Okay, game. Ayun na, ayan.
Yeah, we gotta bust it. Yep.
Yun yung ginagawa nila.
No, it's too much running.
No. Letter T.
No, I don't know that one.
Okay. Ate Dong, ikaw magsimula. Siya muna. Bantayan mo. Dalawa kayo. Team, di ba? Team. Jilana sa pantay kayo. Okay, don't let them pass. Dala. It's their turn now. It's their turn. It's their turn. It's their turn. It's your turn now. Jilana, Ate Dong. Hello, MJ. She and Jilana. Okay, game. Ready.
Oh, get ready.
Okay, don't let them pass. First, Julene. Jade, go in the first, middle.
Joe,
Okay.
come closer. Joe, come close, real close. You got to get them fast.
Don't let them pass.
Joe, closer. Joe, closer. Closer.
Oh. Sobra naman ah.
She pulled shirts. Two big kids.
Wala, ayaw niya, gusto ka niya. You should be like this.
Careful, honey.
You have to do that.
Careful, you stretched over.
Oh, we need one more person though, because you can't take them both.
Okay, game. Go. Jilana, go in the middle now. Go, Jilana, go with Ate Dong, your team, Ate Dong. Don't let them pass. No. It shouldn't. It become na listahan na. Ito na eh. Ito yung line. This is the line. You cannot go over this line. Not too far. Only that one to line. This is the line. Okay, game.
Baby's too small.
Okay, game. Okay. Hey.
Oh, it's so close. Where did it go?
It's just so close. Wait, what? You guys.
Wala na. Right here.
Saan ba? Okay, don't pass this one. This is the only one.
No, so you and Jade, me and Jolie.
Dito na walang, no, don't go over the line.
Stay there. This is the line.
Okay, right.
Line there.
Yeah. If you pass, okay, ready. Game ready. Don't go near. Jay, go fast. Go. Jilana win. Julene. Jilana win. Oh, ate. Okay, game. Okay, do it again. You and Jade. Ready? It's okay, Julene. Okay, ready. Now you don't go past that, okay? Ready, Jade?
That's close enough. Because they'll fake you out.
Ready? Yeah. See, what's up?